So question number 3, still about the equilibrium, but we add 2 more information. One is how to get the market demand curve or market demand schedule. The second is try to discuss the relationship between the market shortage and the price ceiling. So let's look at the question first. For question number 3, finish calculate the market demand schedule. And what is the equilibrium price if market supply is 10 gallons? And how much of the market shortage would exist if the government set a price ceiling of $2 per gallon? Note, when the price is $2, the supply is 12 gallons. So look at the table, you will find the name of the table is quantity demand. So this table tells us the market price, market possible price, and the corresponding supply. And the first column in the, on this table, the first column is tell us the supplier AI, Bessie, Chassis. So they are suppliers. And the first row in this table, below the title of the table, is price per gallon. So that is a possible market price: $1 per gallon per day, $2, $3, $4, $5. So in order to calculate market demand schedule, we need to fill in these blanks. So in order to understand the market demand, you need to try to remember how you calculate the market supply. So we just add all those quantities together and we will get the market supply. The same idea for market demand. If we add all these quantities together, we should get the market demand. So when the market price is $5, the first company offer 1 gallon, the second 0 gallon, third 2 gallon, fourth 1 gallon, the sixth company will offer them 1 gallon. So if we add all of them together, we will get the market demand: 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So that is 5 gallon. So when the market price is $4, and the market demand will equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. So we will get 10. And when the market price is 3, and the market demand will be 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2, and we got 13. And when the market price is $2, we will get 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. That is our total. Will give us the market demand. So we get 15. And if the market price is only $1, we found the market demand will be 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5, and we will get 22. So you can see, as in the class we mentioned, the demand curve is a downward straight line or downward curve, and which reflect as the price increase, the demand will decrease, and you can get the proof here. So as the price goes down from $5 to $1, we found the market demand is increasing from 5 gallon to 22 gallons. So now we finished the first question. Calculate the market demand schedule. And then we move to the next question. What is the equilibrium price if market supply is 10 gallons? So again, in order to find the equilibrium price, we need to know the equilibrium quantity. The equilibrium quantity means the supply equal to demand. So when the market supply is 10 gallons, we need to go back to look at the table again. Under which price we have the market demand is 10. So it's here. So when the market price is $4, we have the market demand is 10 gallon, and market supply is 10 gallon as well. So at this scenario, the market meets the equilibrium. So the answer for the question A is $4. Now look at the last one. How much of the market shortage would exist if the government set a price ceiling of the $2 per gallon? So when the price is $2, the supply is 12 gallons. Before I start to talk about the detail, let me remind you. So when we have the price ceiling Price ceiling means the maximum market price. So the price ceiling should under the equilibrium price. So if the price is under the equilibrium price, which means it's really cheap, so in that case we have demand, market demand large than the supply. Think about if you are a producer, the reason you produce because it have a high price. If the price is lower, you don't want to produce as much as before, right? So, but for the consumer, if the price is low, you definitely want to buy more. So that's why the price ceiling, which is under the equilibrium price, will cause a gap. The gap is the demand larger than the supply. So that's why when we have the demand have larger than supply, we have the market shortage. So you need to remember the relationship between the price ceiling and the shortage and the surplus. So now let's look at the question. So the government said that the price ceiling is $2 per gallon. So first look at if the price is $2, what is market demand? So the market demand is 15 gallon. So the QD demand equal to 15 gallon. And how about market supply? So I give you this note. So when the price is $2, the supply is 12 gallons. So the QS equal to 12 gallon. So see, there is a gap between the demand and the supply. The demand is larger than the supply, and by 3 gallon. So this 3 gallon will be the market shortage. So if the government can offer, instead of the company, the government can offer 3 gallon to the market, and everybody will feel happy. But since they set up the price ceiling and the market run by themselves, the demand is $15, 15 gallon, but the supply is only 12 gallon. So there has a gap that is 3 gallon. So the answer for the question number B is 3 gallon. The 3 gallon will be your market shortage.